Very good morning, my dear student. This is Rahul Garg, your maths teacher, and we are discussing chapter number 4, that is linear equations in two variables. And in the last lecture, we have completed our exercise 4.1, in which we have discussed the general form of linear equation in two variables. And today we will discuss the solution of linear equation in two variables. Now, what is the meaning of solution? If student I have any equation, then its solution is that value of x and y, or say any variable which satisfies the condition or which satisfies the equation. Suppose I have equation x plus y equals 3. If I have equation x plus y equals 3, now if I let x equals 0 and y 3, then this satisfies the equation. So 0 and 3 means x equals 0 and y equals 3 is the solution of x plus y equals 3. And if x is 1 and y is 2, then this again satisfies the equation x plus y equals 3. So this is again a solution of linear equation x plus y equals 3. So x 1 and y 2. x1 and y 2 is the solution. Now if I have x 4, then y equals minus 1. Then this again satisfies the equation, that is x plus y equals 3. So 4 and minus 1 means x equals 4 and y equals minus 1 is again a solution of this linear equation. And similarly we have infinite number of points or infinite number of value of x and y which satisfy this equation. So we can say that linear equation in two variable have infinite solution. It have infinite solution. Linear equation has infinite solution. Now our first question is, which one of the following options is true and why? Which of the following option is true? Now you know that this is the linear equation in two variable, that is y equals 3x plus 5. This is my linear equation in two variable, and we have learned that linear equation have infinite many solution. So this will be correct, infinite many solution. Now and why? For y, if x equals 0. Now if x is 0, then y will be 3 into 0 plus 5 and y will be 5. So x 0 and y 5 will satisfy the equation. Now if x equals 1, then y will be 3 into 1 plus 5, that is 8. So 1 and 8 will also be the solution of y equals 3x plus 5. Now if I assume x equals 2, then y will be 3 into 2 plus 5 and this will become 11. So 2 and 11 is also a solution, and similarly we have infinite number of solution. So third is correct answer. Now second question is, write 4 solution for each of the following. Now to write the 4 solution, we have first let the value of any variable, say x. For first question, 2x plus y equals 7 if x is 0. If x equals 0, then y will be 2 into 0 plus y equals 7, and this will become 0 plus y equals 7. So y will be 7. Now if my x is 1, then for y this will become 2 into 1 plus y equals 7, and on solving this will become y equals 5. So for x equal to 1, y is 5, and for x equals 0, y will be 7. Similarly, you can find the value of x and y for x 4, 2, 3, as many values you want to try. Now if I am trying here, if y is 0, then x will be 2x plus 0 equals 7, and x will be 7 divided by 2. So these are the solutions. We can write in the form of a table. Make a simple table, that is if x is 0, then y is 7, and if x is 1, then y is 5. Similarly, if y is 0, then x is 7 by 2. And you can also try, we are asked 4 solution, and if x is 2, then y will be 3. Just substitute the value of x and y in the equation. Now our third question is, check which of the following are the solution of the equation x minus 2y equals 4, and which are not. Just simply substitute the value of x and y in the equation. If left hand side equals to right hand side, then this will be the solution, otherwise not. My first part is for x minus 2y equals 7. This is x minus 2y equals 4. Now point is 0, 2. Means x is 0 and y is 2. Just substitute the value in the equation. This will become 0 minus 2 into 2 equals 4. So this will become 0 minus 4 equals 4, minus 4 equals 4. So left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Left hand side LHS not equal to RHS, that is right hand side. So 0 and 2 is not a solution of x minus 2y equals 4. Similarly, you can try for this. Now for this third part, that is 4 and 0, substitute the value in equation, that is x minus 2y equals 4. X is 4 and minus 2 into y is 0 equals 4, and this will become 4 equals 4. So left hand side equals right hand side, and hence 4 and 0. So 4 and 0 is solution, is the solution of x minus 2y equals 4. Similarly, you can try the second, fourth and fifth part. Now our fourth question and the last question is, find the value of k. Find the value of k if x equals 2 and y equals 1 is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y equals k. Now here we have given that the value of x is 2 and y is 1, and this is the solution. Now you know that if the x and y are the solution, 2 and 1 is the solution, then this will be satisfy the equation. So substitute the value of x and y. Substitute the value of x and y in equation that is 2x plus 3y equals k. Now 2 into x that is 2 plus 3 into y that is 1 equals k. So 2 into 2 4 plus 3 equals k, and 4 plus 3 equals 7, that is the value of k. So k is 7. Now if x equal 2 and y equals 1 is the solution of 2x plus 3y equals k, then the k will be 7, and this is our answer. K equals 7. Okay student, thank you. If you have any doubt, and then you can come to school from 9 o'clock to 3 o'clock. From 9 AM to 3 PM you can come to the school campus and clear your doubts. Okay student, thank you.